In this short tutorial, I will show you how to clear app usage data on your iPhone. App usage data helps personalize your App Store experience. When you use apps on your iPhone, they collect data about your preferences and usage habits. This data is used to recommend new apps and improve the overall user experience. However, if you want to clear this data for any reason, it's a quick and easy process. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see App Store. Tap on it. Then scroll down to the very bottom and tap Personalized Recommendations. Once you are on this page, you'll see the Clear App Usage Data option. Go ahead and tap on it. Then tap on it again to confirm your decision. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.